How to use TEMU's referral program. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use TEMU's referral program. So to use the TEMU's referral program and earn money, you first of all need to log into or sign up to your TEMU account. So once you've signed up, you then need to go ahead and what you need is just go to the TEMU's affiliated page, like the often sign up and affiliated influencer program page. Then you could promote your link and code on a platform like TikTok, Instagram, and you could YouTube, Facebook, or your blog as well. And then you could get a percentage on purchase made by new user who sign up and buy through your link. Then you could also earn a fixed bonus for each new user who downloads the app and makes the first purchase within 30 days. Then you could earn rewards for inviting new people to join the programs as affiliated themselves, participate in campaigns by creating posts or videos about TEMU for extra bonus as well. And that's where you're going to use TEMU's referral program. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.